Karen and I decorate the trees here at Lacoste. I've been decorating them since about August. Now you don't need to take that amount of time, but when you pull your tree out of the box, it's going to look just like they do here when we pull them out of the box. It's going to be compacted because it's been sitting all winter waiting for a little bit of love. So in order to get the tree ready to decorate, you want to be able to expand the branches and fluff them out so that the tree takes on that shape that you want it to have. You start on the very inside, which is important. If you don't, the inside of your tree will look bare. So start on the inside. It's okay to move the branches up a bit. They're meant to be hinged and moved. And you start pulling the branches up and out in a variety of directions. No tree grows perfectly, so you don't want your tree to be perfect either. But at the end of the day, it will look beautiful. So start from the inside, and you can see even now, just doing this little bit, it's starting to take on a shape that you want. Start midway up, work your way down, and do the top last. The reason you want to do the top last is you want to be able to step back, and before you start putting on the decorations, make sure the tree has the shape you want. Look at it from all angles, and then as we all do, put the part that maybe you don't like the most against the wall. Then it's time to decorate. Enjoy.